Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Or if you are new over here, then welcome to my YouTube channel DIY Home Decor. Today's video is gonna be about 20 smart ideas how to make small bedroom look bigger. It doesn't matter how small your bedroom is. If you are ready to put in some time and heart into making your small bedroom look bigger, you will. Idea number one, if you are willing to make your small bedroom look bigger, go for lighter tones such as light blue or off white. Use lighter paint. Idea number two, get rid of all the furniture item that you don't need. Idea number three, since your room is small and you are getting rid of all useless item, you might try having just one bold wall art instead of numerous photos. Idea number 4, if you want your small bedroom appear bigger, go for low heighted furniture. It is always a decent idea to stay away from tables that are too tall for your small bedroom. Idea number 5, small, decent table lamps will work just fine. Instead of having floor lamps, get table lamps. This will save up floor space for you. Idea number 6, just the way you should keep the walls a lighter color. Keep your furniture not too dark or bulky. Use transparent furniture or light colored furniture. Idea number 7, remove the headboard and add shelves around your bed. The shelving doubles the amount of shape you have in your small bedroom. You can also have built-in shelf panels around the bed. Idea number 8, in a small bedroom, it is a better idea to get hang mirrors instead of photo frames. The mirrors will add to a aesthetic of your small bedroom and also proved useful. Idea number 9, as mentioned before, there is no need to get furniture pieces you don't need. If your room is small and you need space, get foldable furniture. Foldable furniture is great as they provide you the facility and can be stacked under the bed or to a corner later. Idea number 10, yes, the length of your drapes is important. Use shorter curtain and drapes. Idea number 11, avoid unnecessary items and decorations that will only make you feel suffocated. Idea number 12, a small bedroom will obviously have smaller windows. Put curtain pole high above the window. Idea number 13, the bed sheet and quilt you use in your bedroom should not have sharp colors or patterns. Lighter and brighter colors always help fit the mood too. Idea number 14, consider your room a painting or drawing where you have limited space. You need to adapt the light movement whether horizontal or vertical. If your windows have vertical lines on it, get the dresser with vertical patterns. Don't break the follow. Idea number 15, a room that is well managed and organized is always better than a cluttered room. Keep your clothes in the drawer, pens in the jar, jewelry in its box. Idea number 16, keep the side table, dresser and bed in the same size scale. Idea number 17, the color of your trim should be lighter than a wall. You might have not heard about it before, but it's true. The lighter wall paint on the trim will reflect more light, thus more light will be available. Idea number 18, visual coherence is an important thing to master. Visual coherence between the wall, rug and other decor as well. Idea number 19, many of us are not aware of this trick. The thing about transparent furniture pieces is that it tricks the brain into keeping the eye moving, resulting into creating space for illusion. Idea number 20, try to keep things small and use multi-purpose furniture. Avoid having furniture that is too large, and always buy a sofa with legs. If you can, purchase a chair rather than a bulky sofa. And that's all of now. So, what do you think about this video? Please share your thoughts about this video in the comment section. For more bedroom organizing idea, stay tuned to our channel. If you enjoy watching and found this helpful, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel for more home improvement videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have notification turned all of the way on, so you are first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye, take care.